This is a period of time where the energy sector is going through a considerable period of transition. We know there's considerable change both on the technology side, regulatory and policy side, and also in terms of customer needs, customer demands. And some of that is proving disruptive to existing business models within the sector. So the program's designed to provide participants with the skills, the frameworks to think strategically. How can my organization adapt to these challenges and to these changes that we know are coming down the line in the energy sector?
We're looking at solving some of the biggest challenges that our country faces for the next 20, 30 years. So we at Ivey have invested heavily in applied research focused in on the energy sector, thinking about the problems and challenges that firms and organizations across this country have been trying to solve as we manage our way through the energy transition. This is high-level thinking about where your organization is going to be heading and how you're going to get there.
Ivey has a very unique, interactive, case-based approach to teaching and learning. We use real, live business cases as a basis for discussion with students. So this is a very interactive form of learning. We believe it's a very empowering way for participants to deeply understand the phenomenon. And we found through many decades of experience that case studies are a very powerful way for participants both to learn but also take those lessons home with them to the office after the program has ended.
The program's designed to benefit senior leaders throughout an organization. They could be in human resources, or in strategy, or in finance, or in IT, but the key is that they are supporting the direction of where their firm may be going. We really see this as a pan-Canadian program that's focused on driving the productivity and the future of the energy sector in Canada. For you to build a network of like-minded leaders in the sector that you're going to be able to lean on and work with as you leave and exit the program and launch into the exciting strategic developments that you will be embracing at your organizations.